Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well with ByRem House again. I'm about to get my hair done again. Another crochet style, of course. Maybe down the road I'll be doing other styles, you know. But for now, crochet works. I love crochet. And like during the fall or when it gets cold, like winter, my hair breaks a lot, so I have to constantly do it or keep it covered. So I just took my other crochet style down 2 days ago, and I'm getting it done already because okay, we barely have anything, and we're not gonna try to lose the little we already have. Okay, so we're going to get it done, and hey, come along with me. Let's see how this turns out. I have a new crochet hairstyle. I'm just trying it out for the first time. Not something that I would normally do, but hey, one life to live. We're gonna try different things, so keep watching. And the leave-in conditioner I'm going to, because the other one I normally use by Mixed Chicks is finished, done. So I went for Black Friday shopping. I never do Black Friday shopping, guys. This was like the first time, but I didn't really buy anything major. But I bought this set at Ulta. This is by Tracy Ellis Ross. This is her own brand, hair care brand. It's called Patents or Patent, or and it comes, and this little kit comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna try all three. And I normally don't use like the conditioner you have to wash off because it breaks my hair, but I'm gonna try hers and see. Maybe it'll be better for my hair because of course she's black like me. So this is the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna be using today. I was gonna do a video on some of the stuff I got for Black Friday, but I doubt. Okay, I doubt it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hair, and we'll go from there. So keep watching. Okay guys, so this conditioner, I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm not going to put a lot. This one feels more like a custard, not like a moisturizer, or it's not watery. It's very creamy, and it feels more like a custard, like custard filling. But it's going to go all over, and I'm going to review this product when I've used at least a good size of it. Like I've used it for quite some time. I like the smell. It's very soft. It's not too strong. No, actually, no. Now that I put it on, it's actually well, it goes away, so it's okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. The smell is okay. So I went ahead and fast forwarded this part because it's not necessary. I was just getting my hair ready. Best advice is to detangle your hair. I use Carol's daughter to do that. Make sure it's detangled so your hands can go through. That would prevent your hair from breaking a lot. After you take your braids down, or while you have your crochet in, or blow dry your hair. Blow dry your hair, have it straight before you braid your cornrows. It would reduce breakage a lot. I promise you, that is the better way to do it. Don't do your hair while, or braid your cornrow while it's matted and difficult to comb through. Okay guys, so I have done my cornrows. So we have 1, 2, 3. Fourth one, we split in two, make a fork out of it. So it's 5, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really not 5, it's 4. The same thing on this side. It's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Split in two, make a fork out of it. Looks like it's 5 in the front. Because you don't want the front to be so spaced out. And the only reason I'm doing 4, because normally I do 5 and then take the feed braid and split it, is because the hair is a little big, and I'm about to show you the hair in a few. Okay, so and then I take each section, braid at the end, braid them into one like little single braid here, take this section, braid into one single braid, and then I tuck it in the back there. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you here in a minute. Now Let me turn around so you can see this color. Now it doesn't look perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect again, like I said. And this is tucked in. We can get started. Now let's review this hair. I mean, this video is already too long. I hate when the video is so long, but we'll try to keep it short still. This is the new hair. I was tempted to get Passion Twist again, but it's by a different company. But I was like, no, let's change it for. Let's change it, okay? So this is Wavy Cuban Gorgeous Locks by Freetress. See that? It cost me $10.99. Mind you, this is California, honey. I'm sure it's cheaper in other places. Like this state is just unnecessarily expensive. God help us. Okay, so but yes, I bought this one to try, and I bought 3 packs of this, and I was like, I'm assuming it's like 12. There are 2 bundles in the pack, and I'm assuming this is 12. I hope. I only bought 3, but if it's not enough, of course, we know where this the store is at, so we're going to go get the hair from them. That's why it's hard for me to buy hair online, because if it's not enough, what do? You know what I mean? I prefer to get it at a local store, but every now and then we might try buying online, and we might just have to buy more than we need, you know what I mean, and use the excess later. So keep watching. This is what their hair looks like. It's like, of course, it's locks. So it's wavy locks, so this is what it looks like. How many inches? This is 12 inches. It says 12 inches on here. Okay, so keep watching. Let's see what this looks like at the end. Hey guys, so I have started, and I've not completed the first half. I'm almost done. There's just this part left, but I wanted you to see what this looks like. I mean, I try to make it a little bit scanty for this braids, but this hair is big enough where it doesn't even look like it's scanty, right? So I'm liking this. And this is 1 pack, not even up to 1.5 pack yet. This is actually, I'll say 1 1/3 pack. Is it even up to 1/3? Yeah, but hey, I think my hair is gonna be enough because we have 3 packs. So this is 1 1/3 already looking like this, and I want y'all to see. So I'm gonna keep doing my hair, and then I would come back. Now, the only thing I don't like about this hair though is you see that loop is super small for this huge thing to go through. So that's a problem. I'm having to, like, you know, like unravel it a little bit and make a hole, which of course makes it a little messy here. And then when you pull it, you kind of like, you know, make this rough. I'll show you in a little bit when I'm completing how the crochet style. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how I wanted y'all to see how far I've gone, and this is what we're looking at. And I have used 2.5 packs. It's not even a complete 2.5, maybe just 1, you know, locks that's, you know, still left. But yeah, 2.5, and yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking it. It's not what I normally would go for, but yes, why not? And I had to kind of like really space it out. This corner has only about 4, but you can't tell because this locks is so big, it looks full. This one has only about like 5, and then this, okay, so, but because it's the locks is really big, it makes it look full, you know what I mean? So anyway, so I was going to install on video so you see what I'm doing. I have this 3 left, but I'm gonna do this and this so you see. Now I'm still thinking what I should you know, put hair here or not, just to give my face a little bit, you know, because I tend to break out with all this hair. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, so this is what I do. Okay, so for this side of the hair, I use my left hand and I install with the left. Okay, I don't use the right. I know some people are right-handed, so they would use the right, but just so it sits properly and sits nicely, I use the left hand. Okay, and my right is my dominant hand, so using the left can be tough, so I just go slow. Every time I'm doing this side, it's very slow. Now, this is another problem I'm having. My cornrows are too small, too skinny, right here. So I have to take my time in pulling this twist under. Now, another thing is a lot of people do install their crochet or hair differently from how I do it. I go right under the cornrow to do it. Other people don't. Okay, they go like halfway through and install, but because this hair is too big for that, as you can see, my cornrow is too small. Well, I went ahead and installed here instead. Bummer. But okay, so we're going to, I guess this hair, this cornrow just wanted to be filled, period. But I can't do that because see how small the cornrow is. So my advice to you guys is, if you're doing this hair, make your cornrow a little bigger than my cornrow. Okay, make them big, like thick, so that this can go under easily, so you don't have to, you know, you don't stand the risk of breaking your hair. Because I had to like go really slow to install, but I'm still worried that I might have, you know, yeah, damaged my hair here and there, because sometimes it was just really hard for it to go through. But and then of course this side I use the right hand because it's my right side. Now I don't know if this camera is going to flip this around. It might flip it around, but just so you know, okay, I'll let you know ahead of time. So this might be flipped, and of course you install like so. Sometimes it's just a hassle, and then you pull, just slowly pull, but you hear that how it goes under my hair makes all that noise. It's just the risk of just really breaking your hair. You don't want that, so make sure you make your cornrow bigger than mine. You know, I completely forgot all about that and make this cornrow really small, forgetting that the hair I'm going to use is not small. You know what I mean? So this, okay guys, so final look of this hair. Yeah, this is it, we're done. And of course I like to wear my hair to the side with a little pat. This is actually really pretty. You know, this is Goddess Locks by Freetress. Try it. I really like it. I think it's gonna last. It's quite firm too, so I don't think it's gonna grow old quick. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. Now, it's the kind of style where I don't have to have it full, okay? This is Locs. It's not realistic to have it all packed and really heavy and, you know, big. So, yeah, this is how I'm going to wear it. Or probably most of the time I'm going to just hold it back, especially if I'm going to work. You know what I mean? Just hold it back or hold it in a ponytail. But I really like this style. If you like it, this is Goddess Locks by Freetress. Try it. Only 10, I think $10.99 or 10 something per pack, and I only use 2.5 packs, so it's less than $30. Yes, less than $30 to look like this. Why not? Why not? Go ahead and try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, join this family. Let's be virtual families.